Today we are up to discover a waterfall hidden in a cave in Wadi Shab. Wadi Shab is located in the Al-Shakia region, and it's less than a 2-hour drive from Muscat. It's a valley which stretches all the way from the Hadja mountains range to the Gulf of Oman. When you get to the village Shab, you will see a big river which you have to cross by boat to be able to enter the wadi. Most of the attractions in Oman are for free, and you just have to pay 1 rial to get a return ticket for the boat. After getting on the other side of the river, it's a 45 minutes walk until you get to the first pools where you actually have to swim to continue your way to the cave. When we went there in February, the water was very clean and warm. Just be careful with the slippery stones all around you. After 20 minutes, you will get to a big pool where it seems to be the end of the way. But if you look very carefully, you will see a small gap between the rocks. It's maybe 10 meters and you will find yourself in a small cave with a hidden waterfall. Wadi Shab is getting more and more popular, and if you want to be in the valley by yourself, you should start quite early. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to see more places in Oman or around the world, just subscribe the channel. Bye bye!